Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. Just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a Swift Challenger 560 2021. A fantastically well-spec'd single axle caravan with rear island bed and centre bathroom. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. Nice generous sized front locker box in that carbon fibre finish. Space in there for two 6kg gas bottles. Light items like your steady winder, electric hookup cable and step. Just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. Down the side, standard for 2021 is an exterior barbecue point. Side access hatch to underneath the front couch and also 240-volt socket. A refreshed Challenger logo on the side of the caravan. So a slight change there for 2021. So stepping inside the caravan, you've got a generous sized under-counter fridge, nice large kitchen work surface with work surface extension and stainless steel sink. You've got 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric on your combination oven and grill with pan storage located underneath. An easy usable height microwave and a nice light finish and light colouring on those lockers with a nice generous sized Hecky light in this central kitchen area. New for 2021 is the change in the wood lockers. So you see here they've gone from a gloss wood effect to a standard wood effect with a lovely chrome trim and cream under section. Individual switch on spotlights dotted throughout the caravan and also some really well positioned mood lighting. Panoramic sunroof at the front also now being standard and a medium sized Hecky light creating a fantastic feeling of space in this lounge area. A look at the Challenger fabric scheme, so a very durable, high quality finish fabric scheme in the Challenger range for 2021. Your PIR sensor for the alarm located down there with that flashing green light. You've got chest here for storage with also storage underneath and a short pull-out table. 2 USB points and a 240-volt socket on the front binnacle, but some planking plates there as well should you want to add any further sockets. Built-in Swift command for 2021 with digital DAB radio, mobile connectivity to be able to connect your caravan at a distance via the Swift Command app, and also controlling the caravan while sat in it via Bluetooth. In the cupboard here, that's your main control centre for the radio, and you see where I'm just pointing here, you've got an auxiliary input, so you can plug in your iPhone, tablet, should you want to play your own music. A little cupboard as you step inside, both above and below, and your first television point in this caravan located just by this side binnacle here to pop a TV on it should you require. So stepping through a central bathroom area, nice quality of finish on the sink with storage underneath and a generous sized vanity mirror. As we turn round to the Thetford toilet with some storage located above with a couple of shelves and also a cupboard. A generous sized individual round shower cubicle. And the Alder wet central heating is the heating system in this particular caravan. That's one of the heaters there and the heating vents that you see going through to the bedroom. The rear island bed with storage both above and also tucked next to it with some cupboard space all around. There is storage also located under the bed. You can lift that up on some gas struts. And a second television point in the bedroom area that you can see here. So a fantastically well-spec'd and well-finished caravan, segmented lovely with the rear bedroom, central bathroom and then central lounge area. Really well-spec'd 4-berth caravan. I hope you've enjoyed the short walk-around tour of this caravan, but if you've got any queries or questions, please feel free to contact our friendly and knowledgeable sales team and we'll be more than happy to help you. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.